Hey, welcome. This is Chris with WNC Pressure Washing. We're going to be soft washing this house today in Arden, North Carolina. We're going to clean the gutters. We're going to remove all this mold and mildew from the vinyl siding with no pressure washer. We use a soft washing process, which will safely clean all the mold and mildew off the roof. We're going to clean this fence here. And you can see the green mold starting to build up underneath the window. Okay, we're back. We got everything cleaned. You can see the fence doesn't have any more of the green mold on it. You can see the house is all cleaned. I had a lot of mold right there. It's all clean. And a lot of mold over here, which is all gone now too. If you want to get your house cleaned, free of mold and mildew, call WNC Pressure Washing at 828-331-8118. Thank you.